Hello guys, welcome to the Information Security Newspaper channel. My name is Miguel Lopez. So in here we talk about hacking stuff, cybersecurity. So if you want to get more information, don't forget to follow us on our social media networks. We are leaving the links down below. And guys, please, if you got any comments or suggestions, don't forget to write us down. So let's start. Okay, so now United States will request 5 years of social media networks history to all the visa applicants. Okay, so maybe now entering the country it's going to be more difficult because now the United States authorities will review all the activity of the social media networks, applications, phone numbers, emails, and for the last 5 years. So I'm wondering, what are they going to do with all those who have fake accounts? So this is going to apply to anyone seeking residence, work, or even tourist visa. So the applicants must specify all the platforms, applications, and social media networks they use, no matter how often they used it or how well known they are. So in case an applicant is caught lying, they could be refused to enter the country, and even they could be permanently banned from getting the visa in the future. So better watch out, guys. Well, I hope that United States authorities will use the adequate information protection measures for its users. The theft of money by using the SIM cards is growing. So, some specialists recently reported a new variant of fraud called SIM swap, and it's increasing everywhere. Well, with this new variant of attack, the hackers can impersonate the identity of the victim, and they can request loans, open bank accounts, or they can even steal bitcoins. So now hackers can steal the money of any rich guy, and they just gotta have the phone number. Well, what hackers do, they acquire a new copy of the SIM card. They deceive the telephone companies, mentioning that the original chip is dysfunction or it's lost, and thus a new one is enabled. Well, this can break the authentication of two factors, which is used by multiple mobile banking services. And with the new SIM card, they can install the banking app on their mobiles, and with this they can even empty the bank accounts. So let's hope the authorities work against this, and they should verify properly the documents and take the correct actions. Okay, so there are some vulnerabilities found in hardware of cloud companies. Well, the data centers that provide cloud services, they use FPGA devices. As you know, these are more powerful motherboards. So it's supposed that the use of these devices is considered to be safer. But however, specialists have discovered some security breaches that can be performed on these devices. So a hacker with advanced skills could perform a side channel attack, and they can collect information about the power consumption of the chip to break its encryption. And with this, they can spy or even delete data and information of another cloud user, since he has access to the same device. Well, these FPGA devices, for example, they are used in different industries like the smartphones, telecommunication, and even in medicine. So let's hope that the companies that use these devices fix this, because as you know, everybody has information in the cloud. Okay, so there's a new vulnerability on Mac operating system, and it's allowing to perform artificial clicks. So that's true, they just reported a security flaw in the Mac operating system Mojave. Well, as you know, Mac operating system prevents the applications of unknown sources from accessing contacts, locations, and even the camera, and among other things, unless the users allowed it by clicking on their own. So now it's possible to avoid this protection. It seems the vulnerability is because there are certain applications of the Mac operating system that are allowed to make these artificial clicks, and this is for preventing other applications to collapse. So all the applications are signed with a certificate that shows and proves that they are original. And well, if it has been modified or vulnerable, the certificate shows an error and the system stops the application. So due to this vulnerability, Mac operating system skips the verification, and thus a manipulated version of an app included on the Apple list could be used to perform artificial clicks and also steal information. So this is a new variant of hacking attack, and what I could say, now it seems that Mac has enough vulnerabilities like Windows. Okay, so now Apple is going to launch the IDs to protect its users. Well, that's correct. The Apple company just announced that it will now be possible to log in into third-party web platforms and applications using the Apple ID access credentials. Well, it seems that users will now have greater protection of their data and information, as they will not have to provide information such as email, names, or even ages, or other information that the apps usually request. So it will now be like connecting via Facebook, right? Well, the function will now be available soon, and if you wish, you can also implement the Apple login button on your website. Also, the login with Apple will also serve for authentication with Face ID and Touch ID. So this is going to make totally the iPhones much more reliable. Guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. I hope you enjoyed the news. My name is Miguel Lopez. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media networks. We got the links down below, and please don't forget to write us down any comments you have. So see you later.